It's now time for the changing weather.
I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak with Weather 2020. Forecasting snow in Kansas City is so extremely difficult, and this is no exception with this storm approaching our way. So let me go over the details. I want to start by having you take a look at this radar. All right, look at this. There's a band of snow as of about 6:45 p.m. Kansas City time from St. Joseph to Concordia. This is significant snow, pretty heavy, especially just south of St. Joe, but St. Joe's in it. They already had 3 inches of snow here in this location. So let's go to the radar a little bit farther to the east. There you can see that same band with a different color bank. This area already had 3 to 4 inches of snow this morning. They're getting more, whereas Kansas City is getting mist. What we're going to look at tomorrow is down to the south and west, this whole area that should fill in with some snow. So just know this is the latest trend on the radar and something we're looking at. Another 3 inches of snow is likely just north of Kansas City tonight, and it will gradually shift farther down to the south. On this next series of maps, I want you to see this. There is a liquid to solid ratio that is usually 1 inch of rain is equal to 10 inches of snow. In this situation, since it's so cold, this Arctic blast is coming down, tomorrow will be in the single digits in Kansas City, the ratio will likely be 20 to 1. So 20 inches of snow to 1 inch of rain. But we're not going to get 1 inch liquid. How much are we going to get liquid? That is a good question. Take a look at this. The European model, as you can see here, is only 0.22 of an inch of rain in Kansas City. 0.22 is liquid. If it was a 10 to 1 ratio like normal snows are, it would be 2.2 inches of snow. 3,600 is the GFS model. And by the way, that was 6,200 just a couple days ago. That would equal 3.6 inches. And the Canadian model, 0.26. That's what the forecast is as of right now. That's if it's a 10 to 1 ratio. What if it's a 20 to 1 ratio? Right? And I think it's going to be close to this tomorrow. The same 0.22 of an inch would be 4.4 inches on the European model. The 3,600 on the GFS American model would be 7.2 inches. And 2,600 of an inch would be 5.2 inches, or double that number. So that's the potential for this storm system in Kansas City if everything is maximized right now. This is the forecast snowfall amounts based on what I've been analyzing. As you can see here, stretching from Montana down into Joplin, Missouri, which is near the center of this. So the bullseye is down near Iola. 5 to 10 inches of snow is possible. Ottawa, Paola, Garnett, Butler, Clinton. In the Kansas City metro area, 2 to 4 inches north to 3 to 6 inches south, as you just saw those ratios, and 1 to 3 inches farther north from Maryville to Chillicothe. Remember, some of these spots up north have already had 3 to 5 inches. So some spots might get with 8 inches up here, whereas Kansas City is left with lower amounts. But it still looks like 3, 4, 5, or 6 inches of snow is going to fall. And if one of those bands forms, it could be quite interesting and entertaining, as you can see. So there is the latest snowfall totals. This is still tricky. I'm monitoring it closely. We'll keep you updated. And let me know if you have any questions. What could still go wrong for the lesser snow? If you don't want snow, it's good news. What could go wrong is that the bands line up north and south of Kansas City and it doesn't get its act together near Kansas City. I think it's going to happen where 3, 4, 5, or 6 inches of snow falls in Kansas City. So let's see how it develops by morning. I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak, and let me know if there's any questions.
Thank you for watching The Changing Weather.